Evening, everybody. This is going to be your weekend update for the indices and gold, and this is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com. We are going to start with the Nasdaq, and if we go to the zoom in into this rising wedge, all we have done is pretty much back tested this trend line. There is a small possibility that we go up into this rising wedge a little bit more and then proceed our way down. Um, if we move on to the Dow Jones, this 5 looks like it's going to end up somewhere up here, but more or less the pattern is complete. It may have one more extension. If we go to the NYC SE, same thing. It's probably gonna go try to test that this high up here, somewhere around let's see, 6,700 probably. I doubt that it's gonna go make a new highs, but it might. It's making lower the PPO, which is the percentage of the movement, uh, just like the MACD, it's making lower highs while the price is making higher highs. So that's quite a divergence there. Let's go real quick to the S&P 500. This one is the one that it's very neatly between the range of this rising wedge. So we also have the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 never overlaps the 1, 2. So it's probably going to go back up here to this range, to this upper range, somewhere around right over here, to test those highs, and probably be around between 144 and 146. Once it gets there, the waterfall is gonna start. If we go into the Russell, let's see, actually I'm gonna go into the one second. This is the ETF. Same thing here. We tested the lower range of this rising wedge, but what I would like to show you is in the hourly. Let's see, 30 minutes. A 30-minute chart. This is expanding triangle, what's called expanding triangle. So it's been making higher highs and also lower lows. We have broken out of the pattern, and we are back into the pattern. What happens sometimes is that it could go all the way up to the middle of the pattern. So we will see what happens when we get to the middle of that pattern. Sometimes it reverses and goes back up to the upper range of this pattern. So we will see once we get into this area. And finally, the GLD. If we go back to the daily, the GLD is busting out just like we said before. If we go into the weekly, we're very close to that all-time highs. So be looking for a higher price on gold, and that's it for now.